Isn't it frustrating to listen to gurus talk about the law of attraction, the secret, and them saying, look what I've manifested and you can too, yet you're just manifesting synchronized angel numbers? I'm going to share with you how to manifest properly and some things that are probably holding you back. If this is something that you have been struggling with, make sure to hit that like button so other people can find it, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you know when other videos are posted. I've helped many seekers just like you go from mental clutter to clarity, and I can't wait to help you too. Something that has really frustrated me for years, especially when I had my spiritual awakening, which actually resulted in me taking a hiatus from the spiritual community, is the fact that spiritual teachers that talk about the law of attraction, manifesting abundance, and living in the life that you deserve never actually describe how to get from point A to point B. Usually it's vague, confusing, or they just sit and talk about what the law of attraction is over and over. So to be like them, let's go over what the law of attraction is first from the internet. According to the internet, the law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives what we focus on. Awesome. I don't know about you, but there have been so many things that I have thought about, focused on, and stared on my vision board that have not come true. Many of us have a difficult time, myself included, with consciously manifesting. It's difficult to assume something will just be. We can't grasp what that feels like or what that looks like. I want to guide you to shift your inner world so that the outer world will reflect that. The first way of doing this is by affirming. The stories and beliefs that you tell yourself is what becomes true. Your subconscious mind doesn't accept anything that your conscious mind doesn't accept. If your conscious mind keeps rejecting what you want, guess what? Your subconscious mind is going to reject what you want, inevitably pushing away all the things that you want. So, changing your story and your beliefs in your mind to the life or the specific person that you want to be is key. Now, hold on a second, because you might be thinking, well, Jenna, I know that. I've heard that already. And now I'm upset because I affirm all day, every day, and it's not working. Reason that I'm watching this video. Well, I'm glad that you noticed. Let me introduce you to your shadow self. As we go through situations in life, negative and positive qualities slip into what is called the shadow. I'll be making a more in-depth video on what that means and what it entails and how to work with our shadow self, but for this video, let's just think of the shadow as sandbags on a hot air balloon. Manifesting and affirming is the top part of the hot air balloon. So that is going to be what people keep saying. Think positive and be at a higher vibration. Meh. But you're sitting there doing all of the things and it's not going, or it is going up, but you just stop at a specific point. This is because the sandbags, your shadow self, are holding you down. Just to give you a couple of tips, meditation, journaling, and hypnotherapy are some of the ways that I work with my shadow self. Hypnotherapy, I use past life regression, and you can actually get some of the scripts for hypnotherapy to start over at my website, geekresponsibly.com, and that's going to be located in the description below. Now, if this is resonating with you, hit that like button right now. On to the next thing. Visualization and feeling that the reality is real. For example, if you're wanting to increase your money, you know how it feels to get money. It feels great. So in order to use this technique, we want to make sure that we're always in that feeling of receiving. Ooh, that word, receiving. Ooh, makes me shiver. Which again, if you receive money as a gift and you feel undeserving, Welcome to your shadow self. The thoughts within the subconscious mind drive what you believe and what you receive. All right. What you perceive is what you'll receive. So think of what you want. And those stories that pop up, or those feelings, those visualizations, do they resonate? Again, this really comes down to doing your shadow work. Another thing you might be feeling is not understanding what thoughts pop up, which this brings me to my last point about observing your thoughts, your old stories, your old beliefs. What is playing? What's that record playing in your mind over and over again? I mean, in another video, I state that we have over 70,000 thoughts a day, and a lot of them aren't really positive. So when the pattern starts creeping its shitty head out, call it out. This is a great way to start shifting your thoughts and choosing again. So we have the power to choose again. And another phrase I always think to myself is from Dr. Wayne Dyer. He has a book called Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life. We get to choose again. So if you catch yourself, that is an incredible feat. Not many people realize the thoughts that they have in their mind. And if you observe it and think, oh gosh, that's negative, take a deep breath, don't have judgment, and choose again. This is where your affirmations come in. One that I used quite frequently was, I love and accept myself. And that's where I started. So when I first started affirmations and nothing was working, at least I was observing my thoughts. When a thought would come up and it was negative, I would state, I love and accept myself. So go ahead, you can use it. Or think of one that you resonate with. Side note, this is going to be difficult in the beginning, but don't judge yourself, be kind to yourself. It's just like if you were to go to the gym the first time, you wouldn't just go and leg press 300 pounds. No, you have to exercise those muscles. The brain is a muscle too. So remembering that once you notice that thought, boom, catch it, affirmation, and start changing that thought. Or even writing it down. Okay, does that serve me? Did you enjoy that feeling? If not, what am I going to choose again? If you're struggling on how to get more in tune with yourself, reach out to me at jenna@geekresponsibly.com. I would love to help you. All right, now you should know how to manifest properly, especially working on your shadow self. If you're still feeling a little bit unsure, make sure to watch my other video, Love Attraction and Why Shadow Work is So Important, next. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and always remember, geek responsibly. Hey guys, Jenna here, and I just want to remind you that I do have some hypnotherapy scripts located at geekresponsibly.com. There are 2 of them currently, and I'm working on more, and that will allow you to be able to listen to it for the next 21 days. Just dedicate 21 days of listening to either of the scripts that you purchase, and that will allow you to get your vibration and work with your shadow self a little bit more. If you have any questions, always reach out to Jenna@geekresponsibly.com, and always remember, geek responsibly.